Hello Purple Beauties, this is Ambika Singh, your beauty advisor and your beauty best friend. And today I'm going to show you how I created this flawless makeup look starting from the skincare till the foundation. These are the products I'm going to use today to create this natural makeup look. Starting with my skincare, I'm going to use Aroma Magic Rosehip Toner. I'm just going to spray it all over my face and then I'm going to pat it on my skin gently. Then I'm going in with the under eye cream. I'm using M Caffeine under eye cream. Take it on your ring finger and apply it under your eyes. इसे अच्छे से आप अपने अंडर आई एरिया पे मसाज कर दे टिल आर टेम्पल एरिया. मेरी अंडर आईज ऑलरेडी हाइड्रेटेड फील कर रही हैं. When it comes to skincare, how can you forget the serum? I'm using L'Oreal Revitalift Hyaluronic Serum. One drop here and another here, and you can just massage it on your face. Make sure कि आप जब भी फेस मसाज कर रहे हो आप अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में करो, लोअर डायरेक्शन में नहीं, क्योंकि हम सभी को अपलिफ्टेड स्किन चाहिए. After that, I'm taking this wonderful minimalist Marula oil moisturizer. It is good for nourishment and hydration, and it is ideal for dry to normal skin. Since I have normal to dry skin, I'm using all the products that are suitable for dry skin. Taking the moisturizer and applying it on my face. You can also create 5 dots on your face and 1 on your neck. Massage it gently on your face and your neck. Whenever you do skincare or whenever you apply foundation, आप अपने नेक को कभी ना भूलें, वरना डिस्कलरेशन दिखता है. फेस की स्किन टोन और आपके नेक की स्किन टोन मैच नहीं करती है. So moisturizer is done. Now we need to protect our skin from the harmful sun rays, and now we are going to use this minimalist sunscreen. It has 50 SPF and it is good for all skin types. Spread the sunscreen like this on your finger and then spread it all over your face. Trust the process. I am definitely looking like a white ghost right now, but it's going to get better. Trust me. And we are done with the sunscreen. Like I said, trust the process. Now comes the last and quite important part of our skincare routine, lip balm. No one wants dry or flaky lips, but we often forget lip balm while doing our skincare. Today I'm going to use Maybelline Baby Lips. Before starting with the base, I'm going to apply my primer. I'm using this Fit Me Dewy Primer. I'm using this dewy primer because I have dry skin. If you have combination to oily skin, you can use a matte primer, a gel based primer. मेकअप शुरू करने से पहले प्राइमर लगाना is very important because प्राइमर हमारे मेकअप के लिए एक बहुत ही स्मूथ बेस क्रिएट करता है, एंड प्राइमर हमारे स्किन एंड हमारे मेकअप के बीच एक बैरियर का रोल भी निभाता है. सो नेवर फॉरगेट प्राइमर बिफोर डूइंग योर मेकअप. प्राइमर के हेल्प से हमारा मेकअप ज़्यादा देर तक टिका भी रहता है. प्राइमर के 5 डॉट्स क्रिएट करें और इसे अच्छी तरीके से अप्लाई कर लें. I am going to apply orange corrector under my eyes to correct and neutralize my dark circles around my mouth area as well, because I have a little bit of darkness here too. You can either blend it with a concealer brush, you can blend it with a beauty blend, or you can blend it with your fingers. इसे पूरे face पे blend नहीं करना है, इसे बस desired area पे pat करना है. Taking the green corrector for my pimple here and then dabbing it with my finger. As you can see, green corrector ने मेरे पिंपल का रेडनेस न्यूट्रलाइज कर दिया है, एंड ऑरेंज करेक्टर ने मेरे अंडर आई एरिया का डार्कनेस न्यूट्रलाइज कर दिया है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई माई फाउंडेशन ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट. Taking my all-time favorite Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 128, applying it on my face. You can also create small dots like this. You can either use a beauty blender to blend your foundation or a brush. Dabbing motion से foundation को blend कर लीजिए. Like I said, never forget your neck while doing your makeup. Now I'm going to quickly clean my lips using a Q-tip. You can see how natural and flawless my base is looking right now. To go with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in shade 01 Light, and I'm applying it under my eye area, nose, here, here and here. And you can blend it with a concealer brush or a small beauty blender. I'm using a small beauty blender to blend it all in. You can use 1 or 2 shade lighter concealer in order to give your face a brightening effect. As we are done with our foundation and concealer, now I'm going to pack it all in with a loose powder. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in shade 20 Light Medium. I'm just going to take it with a powder brush, dab the extra and apply it all over my face.